everyone! Hope you're having a super fun holiday. Today we're showing you some cool Christmas slime ideas that you can make for yourself or as a gift to your friends. So let's go! First up, we'll be making candy slime. To do this, we'll need to prepare the white slime. Mix in 1 bottle of Elmer's school glue with lotion before putting the slime. Now it's time to activate your slime and knead it with your hands. Once your slime is prepared, let's bring in the Christmas magic. So guys, split your white slime into 2 halves and add red coloring to the first half. Once it's mixed in and you have this nice red color, we'll bring in the second half of the white slime. Lay them next to each other like this. Guys, this is the tricky part. You need to lift your slime up and stretch it like this so you can get the lines to appear. Now we'll do a swirl and top it off with some glitter and candy cane charm. Ta-da! Here's the candy cane slime. It looks super cute and actually super satisfying to do a swirl with. What do you guys think? Next up, we'll be making a gingerbread man, and again, we'll need another white slime. This time, we'll be adding in brown coloring to get the gingerbread look. Then add in a block of soft clay, and this will make the slime firmer and give it more of a buttery texture. Now get a cookie cutter that is in the shape of a gingerbread man and carve out its shape. Time to bring the gingerbread man to life. Add these googly eyes for its face and finally give it some button with some glitter circles. Making this was actually super fun and I couldn't help but to giggle looking at this gingerbread man. It feels weird to do this, but it's time to squish this gingerbread man. Next, we'll be making a snowman slime. Again, we'll need another white slime. This time, we'll also need a bowl of small foam beads. A lot of foam beads. Mix the foam beads with the slime until it ends up looking like a giant snowball. The slime should be a lot firmer now and hold its shape well. Now it's time to give our snowman a face as well. To make the nose, we'll need orange plasticine. Take a bit of it and shape it like this to get a pointy nose. Then put the googly eyes, nose and black glitter for the mouth like this and top it off with a Santa hat charm. Here's the snowman! Guys, if you decide to make this, you can decorate the snowman however you like. Maybe even try different hats. Have fun with it! For this last one, we'll be bringing Santa and his friends along. First, we'll need to prepare a fluffy slime. Check out the link here to find out how to make the best fluffy slime. We've added a ton of shaving cream to the fluffy slime to make it look super snow-like. Then we added the slime into this sleigh container and sprinkled some gold glitter on top. Then we added some snowflake glitter as well, which looks so pretty. And finally, it's time to bring in Santa and his friends to the sleigh. Check it out, guys, this actually looks so cute. They're sitting nice and comfy at the back having a good time. Alright guys, this is how to make Christmas slimes. Hope this video helps you make some cool slimes during your holidays. Pun intended. So anyways, let us know if you like these slimes and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to more slime videos every week. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, love you! Mwah.